I really analyzed each situation. And again, I just take it easy. Yeah. We cannot be perfect. That's fine. It's okay. But at least keep moving. And again, because this year really showed us it's not the end. How can I keep moving forward? How can I keep running my business? How can I still look after my family, have food on the table, etc., etc.?
Hey guys, welcome to Keep On Pushing Stories, where, yeah man, we tell you real life stories of perseverance and inspiration and motivation. And because we want you to live your best life, so hopefully we can inspire you to do just that. And today I'm excited to welcome my friend Sonia Saida to the program. Sonia, welcome to Keep On Pushing Stories.
Hello, hi everyone, hi Devon.
It's great to have you. So, let's get right into it, Sonia. Tell us what it is that you do. How do you serve? How do you bring value to other people?
Sure. So, well, I'm going to start with bonjour, actually. So I'm Sonia Saida. I'm originally from France. I'm a best-selling author. Recently just launched a book where I'm co-authoring, I would say. I'm also an entrepreneur and a clarity achievement coach, where I deliver executive coaching for leaders who are ready to refine their inner desire and implement changes once and for all by activating the process to achieve their full potential and their true purpose. And somehow I will say it's helping them to identify what success looks like, again, clarity to take bold steps to lead certainty.
Indeed, that is important work, I know. So Sonia, how would someone find you if they wanted to benefit from your knowledge and expertise?
Well, two ways. The first one is through my website, www.myinfiniteways.com, where they can book a call with me. And the second one is on LinkedIn directly. They can connect with me and schedule again a call, share what they want to achieve in their life, and then we're gonna start the process to activate that, I will say.
Cool. Yeah. So My Infinite Way, is it Infinite Ways or Way?
Yes. Yeah. My Infinite Ways. Yes.
myinfiniteways.com, and of course Sonia Saida on LinkedIn, my friends. That's where you'll find her. Is that where would they find a copy of your book there as well if they wanted to?
Yes, on my website and also through LinkedIn, they can see it.
Through where?
On LinkedIn as well.
Oh, on LinkedIn. Oh, absolutely. Cool. So
yes.
Again, My Infinite Ways.
Also on Amazon, and simply on Amazon. They can just go on Amazon and find the Transforming Your Life Volume 3, and then they will find the book.
Yeah, can you show us the cover again?
Yes, for sure. Here we go.
There it is.
Maybe the opposite side, but
yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
Transforming Your Life. All right, so thank you for that valuable information. But hey, what we really want to know, Sonia, is your keep on pushing story. We are really curious to know of a time when you had to overcome a significant challenge or perhaps stretch yourself out of your comfort zone to accomplish something amazing. So please, s'il vous plaît, tell us your keep on pushing story.
Merci, Devon. Oh, well. Well, there is one actually that also shared on the book is back when I was still living in Dubai at that time. In 2013, I gave birth to my first child. It was almost 6 months, and my husband wanted to compete in a championship for motocross in Dubai, and so he was training with some friends in the desert, and he had a very strong accident, something very deep, and I have to face that. Was very challenging for me in terms of is he going to still be alive, because my friend reached me on the phone because I wasn't there. I was looking after my child, and my friend called me and he said, Sonia, I have to tell you something. You know, when you hear this kind of message, you're like, okay, hold on, there is something going on. And he told me, look, your husband just had an accident. The helicopter came. We're taking him to the hospital. So when you start to hear again, the helicopter means like it's something like not normal, I would say. So I was surprised with myself in the terms of, I was very calm. I wasn't like stressed at some point. I just, to be honest, I just trust my intuition, you know, and my intuition telling me, relax, uh, be positive with that. And I have to look, of course, with my new, I don't say newborn, but almost 6 months of my child. I have friends at home who are visiting us. I have my mom coming, so I have a lot of stuff going on. So going to the hospital, find, at least for me, my main point is to see him. So I arrived at the hospital, waiting for the doctor to show me how he's in, to tell me the status of his health, of the injuries, etc. When I saw him, I said, thanks God. You know, you have the signs telling you, okay, we'll be here for a very long time. That's all good. That's one thing. And the next challenge is dealing with how I'm gonna deal that. He's at the hospital. We running a show in Dubai, running another one in Malaysia. My husband is supposed to travel. I have my mom coming. I couldn't tell her the truth until she's coming, otherwise she would be panicking in the flight. And we have friends at home. I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on. And I say, wow, how am I gonna handle this? It was very challenging, and again, I was surprised in the terms of, because again I was very calm. I was really really calm. I just take the time actually to figure out how I'm gonna do it, who is going to help me, etc etc, and I make it. I'm very happy actually because I have friends who just say, okay, look, let me help you. How can I do it? And I'm like, oh wow, I never expected like this, to be honest. And there is very good friends who were here next to me, helping me. My husband at the hospital. Me, I have to travel anyway instead of him to Malaysia, still looking after the event running in Dubai. My mom coming, a lot of stuff. But at the end of the day, you just realize you feel that you're alone, but you are not. I was still surprised with myself with this kind of situation, and it reached a point I just cried. Not the first or the second day, but later on, just maybe to remove that stress. Maybe I have accumulated but not realized at the beginning. But I was like, okay, things start to getting kind of normal in the terms of setting everything back to certain normality and start to move in a certain direction. And then you're like, okay, things is settled. Now you can remove that stress, I will say, and just release that. And I released. I cried. I felt much better after that. And yeah, I mean, I was really amazed. Again, I'm gonna say the word, very amazed the way I have react with this kind of situation. How I control myself with my emotions, control the situation, how to handle everything, and once everything has been on the right path, I just remove the stress, I would say.
Mm. So what did you learn specifically from that experience?
Controlling my emotion. There is very, very good family, I would say family friends. They're here next to you, whatever situation happened to your life. It's okay to cry. It's okay that you don't know. And take it easy. Really take it easy. There's nothing to rush. And comfort yourself when you face this kind of situation is not the end, actually. There is more to come. And you have to be very positive, especially when you have this kind of receiving this kind of news, sad news. But when you see your partner that, and you trust your intuition that it's not the end, and then you You let go at some point.
Indeed, no, it's poignant because we are going through this collective uncertainty right now because of COVID-19, and
Oh
there's
yeah,
people
big
who
time.
are stressed. They maybe it's not the news that their partner is in a life or death situation, but some other um, huge disruption in their lives. And I like what you say, that you should just
Yes.
take it easy, stay in the moment, breathe. Um,
And breathe. I have to say, breathe. And I analyzed a lot, to be honest. I really analyzed each situation. And again, I just take it easy.
Yeah.
We cannot be perfect. That's fine. It's okay. But at least keep moving. And again, because this year really showed us it's not the end. How can I keep moving forward? How can I keep running my business? How can I still look after my family, have food on the table, etc., etc.? Most of the time, I just say, take some time, just analyze the situation. Don't stay in a negative mode or on the problem, I would say. Analyze the situation, how you end up this way, and what else, and look for and seek, actually, I would say, for the solutions, for the result, for the outcome, whatever word you want to use, but you have to seek for it. Don't stay on it. Move, keep moving forward. Whatever, if it's a tiny step, it's something, nothing.
Yep. I so agree with you, and I say that all the time. I was speaking about this just before we spoke. That
Yeah.
sometimes, even in the worst of situations, do anything, and it may, in the grand scheme of things, be a really tiny step, but in the moment, it's huge, because it's the only thing you can do.
It's huge.
That you can take.
Exactly.
And it
Exactly.
makes you feel
The
better.
thing is, people have to understand we do our capacity at that moment.
Yeah.
We cannot regret, okay? But we have to accept what we have done. Again, it's a step. And more you move, more you're gonna adjust it. More you're gonna meet people who will help you, will support you, who will help you in your improvement, etc., etc. But at least keep moving. Do not stay in this bubble of negativity, of problem, or whatever words again you want to use, but get out from it. Really get out, because in that moment, work what you have based on what you can, and always seek for the movement. Look for that.
Indeed. Keep on moving. In other words, keep on pushing.
Keep on moving. Exactly.
On
Exactly. I should use this word.
Yeah,
Keep on
Sonia,
moving.
thank you so
Beautiful.
much for sharing. That's a personal story of tragedy.
My
And
pleasure.
how you came out, calm.
Yes.
I like the fact that you take it easy. That's a very Jamaican thing, Sonia. We like to
I
take
know.
we like to take it easy. So thank you so much for spending time with us.
My pleasure.
Merci bien.
Same to you. Thank you, Devon. Bye.
So guys, if you enjoyed this, if you found it valuable, please leave a comment below. Also, please hit that subscribe button and the subscription bell, because you'll get a notification every time we post another one of these amazing videos. And don't forget to share it. Your friends want to be inspired as well, so share it, don't keep it. And while you're at it, visit my website, www.devonharris.com. If you sign up for my newsletter, you'll get this video in your inbox every time we share one. So until we connect, as Sonia just said, keep on moving, keep moving, keep on pushing.